Here's the pitch.
So have a go now. You just want to use this one. You're pretty much just changing it like that and trying to keep it at a stable thing, but don't move it too much. See, if I let it like that, it's following where the camera is. So take it. That's why the center of gravity needs to be. So just have a go. So pull it this way like that.
Should be above us so that we can hear the beeping of the battery when the battery goes low.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So just have a go, just trying to move that.
Yeah.
Let's try to move that now.
What is the range of this?
I think it should be 1 kilometer, but
So try to keep it stable now. Pull that way.
it's wind, I think.
So try it again. Just be slow with the movements. Bring it back here. It's alright, just bring it back slowly.
It is going down, it is going down.
No, just bring it back slowly.
Oh.